Hello and welcome back. In this lecture we'll be designing a Facebook ad. So let's get straight into it. So we are on the homepage of the Canva website, which is canva.com, canva.com. Okay, so go there, sign up, sign in, and then this is where you'll get to. Now, first things first, all you want to do is hit the button just here that says more, okay? So let this new page load out, and once it has loaded, we are going to scroll all the way down to ads and click on Facebook ad, okay? So click this and let this new page load. So on the right is the canvas where we will be designing the Facebook ad, and on the left is all of the different Canva layouts to help us with the design process. So let's just get straight into this. So all we need to do first is pick a layout to help us begin designing, okay? So let's just look at these first and pick one which we think will be good. Now, one of these top ones I think I might choose, but first of all I'm going to scroll down to see what else there is, of course. So let's just scroll down now and see what there is. That one's quite cool, I like that, that's very nice. But let's just keep scrolling for now. Okay, so I think I'm going to design two. First of all, I'll design this one with this design I have here. And then on the second page, I'm going to design this one just here. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, it's not cables, it is black brick. Okay, so the Ultimate Online Courses, of course. The Ultimate Online Courses. And then we need to move this up and remove this. Move this up a bit more. Copy this layer in just a second and Control D, there we go, that's copied, and go to www.blackbricktraining.co.uk. fantastic. Move that to the bottom of the design, move this down to about there. It doesn't really matter, we can get rid of it, I'm not too sure really. Let's just remove it, and all of these as well. Let's just remove all of them, get them out the way, you know, they're in the way at the moment. So we have Black Brick, the Ultimate Online Courses, fantastic. And now we need to duplicate this one more time. So Control V if you already have duplicated something. And we are going to type get any course for just $10. Get any course for just $10 using the code. And then we'll put the code in just here. Fantastic. So let's just make this smaller so that it fits perfectly. Very nice. And also this needs to be smaller so it fits perfectly. Fantastic, so let's center that once again. There we go, and there we have that as well. And then we're going to duplicate this layer for the code, but of course make it a little bit smaller to about 72 or something like that. There we go, fantastic. And I'll pop that in just there. And I'm also going to add a little quote mark on either side of it, just so people can see exactly what it is, and then it's kind of highlighting the text in the middle. So we have Black Brick, the name of the company, the Ultimate Online Courses, the slogan of course, get any course for just $10 using the code BLACKBRICK, and then just underneath that we have blackbricktraining.co.uk, www.blackbricktraining.co.uk. fantastic. So that is our first advert. It's taken no time at all. It looks awesome. It's nice and simplistic, and it's very cool, okay? So what I'm going to do is just move this down here and go to Elements, Icons, and just get the light bulb as the first one, and then just bring this down size a little and center it like so, and make it white. Fantastic, just because it adds a bit more to it. Now what we could do is change this font a little bit if we wanted to anything on here like this, as then it stands out a bit more, just like that. Awesome. And then we have it. So we have the name of the company slogan, the text that says what you get for the coupon itself, and of course the web address. So that is fantastic. Let's just go to File, Save, and rename this as Facebook Ad Design. Fantastic. So now we have this one just here. So this, of course, is going to be another design, just like this, but in another style, okay? So first of all, we need to copy Black Brick, of course. Paste that in just here, and move it up to about there. And then we'll copy blackbricktraining.co.uk and paste this in just here. Lovely. And move this to the bottom of the page, and in the center as well, of course. Need to make sure everything is centered nicely. Very good, there we go, centered and centered, very nice. We'll move that out of the way. There we go, fantastic. So we've got Black Brick and the web address down there. So we will now copy some more of this text so that we have it in here, of course. So we need Black Brick as the actual coupon code. So let's duplicate this, paste this in here, move it down here, of course, and make this a bit smaller. Let's say about 64. possibly a bit smaller, I'm not too sure just yet. And make that centered as well, just to make the box smaller first. And center this. Very good, fantastic. And now we'll need 2 of these texts as well, so let's just copy this, duplicate this. Awesome. Paste this in here for the slogan. The Ultimate Online Courses, fantastic. So we have the name of the company, the Ultimate Online Courses, the web address, and the coupon code. Now all we need is the name of why we'll be using the coupon code. But first I'm going to bring this light bulb in here, just because it's quite cool for the first design, so we may as well have just brought it back. Just because we are pretty much copying the first design into the second, just with a different style, as you can see. So yeah, this is just trying to show you how easy it is to make the same design but in different styles, okay? So that is fantastic. So let's just copy this and duplicate this layer just here. Control D, paste in the new text, expand this so it all fits in, and finally center it. So that is pretty much everything. We have just made the same design twice, but with a nice new style. So hopefully you all enjoyed it, hopefully you had a great time, and hopefully you learnt a lot. Now, of course, you can use any of these layouts. You can use your own style, you can use your own text, you can use your own company, of course, all of that, and your own layouts, and hopefully you make an awesome design as well. So I really, really do want to see the designs which you guys make. So please tweet us on Twitter at BlackBrickLearn, and we will reply and share them, retweet them, like them, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, because we are really wanting to see what you guys make as well, because of course you are learning from this course and we want to see what you have been able to do. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have had a great time. I will see you in the next one. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and of course I will see you very soon. Goodbye.